noon. Okay. So Amar, please just tell your friend to just close their hands and be seated in a nicely manner. Everyone turn on your camera. Turn on your
Okay.
camera. Turn on your camera. Turn on
Oh
your
God,
camera. Yes, start.
oh God, help us to be good, to do to others as we should, not to hate, but to love. Send us peace from above. Amen.
Okay. Thank you very much, Amar. For after that, we also should pray for our good and our circumstances should be more good day by day. Okay. So here, yesterday's homework, all of you done? Yes, three sums was there. Show me. Show me now only. Yes, Sifa. Any problem or any doubt?
Ma'am, I have completed extra word G and H.
Oh, okay, no problem. It's very good. Okay, so today we will start from the next exercise. Okay, next exercise actually very easy also. Next exercise here, division by 10 is there. Okay, division by 10 exercise F. All of you open your book, page number 82. All of you open your book, page number 82. All of you open your book, page number 82. All of you open your book, page number 82. Okay. Yes, I am.
मैम
Yes.
आपने जो कल होमवर्क दिया था
Please speak in English. Speak in English.
मैम आई हैव completed tomorrow homework.
Okay. Yesterday's homework I have completed. Okay. Gotokal means yesterday. Okay. Very good. Thank you. So, yes, someone, any doubts up there?
मैम मैम 82 का कौन सा बाला कराने वाले हैं?
Why you are not speaking in English? Every day someone I'm telling you to speak in English. If you have to ask that question to me, you should tell me, ma'am, which sum will you do from the exercise F? Okay. Okay, someone.
ओके मैम. ओके
From the
मैम.
next time, please try to speak in English. English maybe you are speaking in long English, but you need to speak in English. Am I clear on my point? Okay. Exercise F. Exercise F. We will just do C sum first. Okay. 1C. Page number 82. Page number 82. This sum we will do. So C sum is what? 10 division by 5, 6, 7. So we will divide. 10 table is very easy. 10 fives are 50. After minus 67. 6. This is 7. Okay. So this is quotient. We all know, and this is remainder. Okay. Quotient and remainder you need to write. So write in the answer that quotient quotient equal to 56 and remainder equal to 7. Now here comes one rules. Okay, the rules I am writing for writing over here. Rules, please write after that. Okay, rules by division 10. Don't write in the side since I don't have any space, so I am writing over here. So what is the rule? Rule is if the ones place, if the ones place is some digit except 0, then the remainder should be the one digit itself. That means what I am telling it over here. Suppose consider this. Okay, first you write and then I am telling you. First you write. First you write, then only I will make you understand why I have written these rules with the same example. Okay. So here we can say like that. Consider this sum only. This sum here, if we are going to write 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, here this is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundred place. Okay, and I have written if it is except 0 any other digit, okay, then ones digits place is the means remainder. Okay, that means by easily you can understand that what is the remainder. But if I'm going to give you this number, suppose 560, that time you will not be easily understand that what is the actually your yeah, what should I say? What is your remainder? Because if it is 0, if we are going to divide it by 10, then it should be 50, and 60 by 6 it will 0. So 0 will be remainder. So that is why I have written that if the ones place is some digit except 0, then the remainder should be the ones digit itself. Means here it's 7, so 7 is the remainder over here. I hope you are understanding this part. If you are understanding this part, please show me a thumbs up. Okay, Samayan, Amar, yes, Rahat also, Vikas, Dipal, Sheikh, Mahdeen. Ashraful, Ruksar and Nishat, Munir, Rafiqul, Sohail, Rituprabhu. Okay, thank you. Why you are raising hand? Okay, somehow by my mistake I'm just unmuted myself. Okay, so going to the next sum. So from the next only 1 2 sums we will do. Okay, so E sum. After that we will do F and I. If you complete 10, so by seeing only we can understand that 9 is the remainder because 9 is not 0. Okay, Rahat raised hand. Why Rahat? Unmute.
ম্যাম আগেরটা একবার দিন আমার হয় না
Okay, be fast. Be very fast. If you are going to say that you have not completed your work, you should say to your ma'am that ma'am, please show me the previous work. Ma'am, please show me the previous work. I have not completed, or my work is incomplete. Okay, try to speak in English. Where you will not able to understand what to say, ask me what to, I should say this thing in English, I will just convert it, but you need to speak in English. Okay, so going to the next E and F and I, you all start to complete. 10 is here, I am just doing, but for quotient you need to write the sums for 220 89 by 8 if we are going to do 9 Q and R. From this chapter, nothing much more, you no need to practice. Many sums are there. So yeah, while we are just taking one, here you can see 1 is less than 10. Okay, so easily here nowhere we can just go, but since here the division we have stopped over here, we should put 1 0. Okay, again I am going to repeat this sum for you, just wait for a while. Here by 4, while we are taking 40 is there. Okay, so 1 we are just writing over here. Now 1 is less than 10, right? So the division we need to stop. We have drawn this line, but since we have stopped the division, we are just putting this 0. Okay, all of you understood? If we are not going to put the 0, this sum will be wrong. All of you understood? Okay. Okay, if you understood 3 sums, so I'm giving you to do in your homework from this exercise, because 2 days is not 2 days exactly, you are nowadays getting only 1 day. L, O and R, this sum you will do from the page 82, this sum page 82, page 82, sorry, page 82, this sum only you will do. Complete it fast, then we will go to the next exercise. Complete it fast, then we will go to the next exercise. If completed, okay, I think most of you have completed. So we are going to start exercise G. Okay. Exercise G, as you know, the story sums, at least I will try to cover all. Okay, so first question is exercise G, the page number is 83. The page number is 83. This exercise, this page number is 83. So here what is there? A company manufactured 1049,049 bulbs. These bulbs have to packed in a cartons with 8 bulbs in each carton. How many cartons were there and how many bulbs were left? Okay. So quotient and remainder, both the things we are needing over here. Here we will write like that: company manufactured 1049 bulbs. Eight bulbs are packed in one carton. Therefore, to find out the carton number and left bulbs, we need to perform division. So here we will write 1049 divided by 8. Now in the below only, you will just write over here. In the below only, you will just show the division. Now this is the quotient. Quotient is your carton number, and remainder is your the bulb left. Okay, so here we will write 131 cartons needed and one bulb left. So in the answer also you will write like that: 131 cartons needed to pack the bulbs and one bulb is left. You complete this sum, then only I will go to the next sum. Yes, Esha, unmute.
ম্যাম আমাকে এফ নাম্বারটা দেখান, ওটা আমি লিখতে লিখতে চলে গেছিল।
Right now you solve this sum. Afterwards I will show. Okay.
ওকে ম্যাম।
Leave some space and solve this sum. Afterwards I will show. Yes, Nadim.
ম্যাম এফ সামস একটু দেখাবেন, আমি তো লিখতে পারছি না।
Yes, I will show. Yes, Sifa.
Ma'am, CWG exercise G, one number have completed, but the exercise F, A number you A B C A B you don't completed.
Okay, back at home you will practice. Everything I will not complete. This is a very huge chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm just lowering all of your hands. I'm going to check your attendance. Please complete the sums. Yes, Astrofu.
Ma'am, can I go to toilet?
Obviously, go. Okay, it is done. Four of you have completed previous sum. If sum and I sum you all can do, take the screenshot very fast, because your friends hasn't have to complete the next sum as well. This is the next sum. Please complete it. Yes, Meghna.
Ma'am, I completed. Can I go to toilet?
Yes, yes, yes. Go. Okay. Today's class is up to this. Time is over. So previous also I am showing. Please take the screenshot or wait for a while. I will post it in the CW. I mean study material part. Nisat and Ruk sir. Study material. Yes. Unmute yourself. Study material. How you will find out? Okay. Just I am turning on my camera. Go to the school app. Okay. Can you see? I'm just stopping the share because I am unable to see you. Can you see? Just wait for a while. I hope right now can you see? Go to batches. Go to batches. Here you can see, suppose here my side is a little different. Here in the batches, here in the ribbon part, I hope that everyone can see. Okay, here you will just scroll it like that. You will able to see the study material. Okay, and Nisat and Ruksar, you will also able to see here one test option is there. Like test option, I have just opened all the test is there. From there you will tomorrow one test will be there from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. This test you can just give. Okay, Nisat and Ruksar, is it okay with you? Yes, you understood from where you will find the study material? You understood? Okay, suppose I have just opened the study material. Here all the folder wise you will see. Here in the below of that you will just get to see one folder named Maths Essay 1. Okay, Maths Essay 1. Here if you are going to, oh, sorry, Science Essay 1 I have opened. Maths Essay 1. If you are going to open it like that, you will able to see here all the date wise all the board works are there. Okay, so anywhere you will just click, you will able to see all the pictures. Okay, so previous exercises all the solutions you will just get it from there. Okay, 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 thank you. So you are new. This is the first step that you need to read by yourself. Okay, so please just complete everything from there. If any problem anywhere you are facing any kinds of doubts, you will just ask me. That time I will help you out. Okay, Rajveer, any doubt?